Hey guys, Max with Tucker USA. Today we're going to be going over our 110 booster pump, all the features and parts of it. We're going to demonstrate hooking it up to a rival cart to increase the water coming out. Next, we're going to go over some new features in the version 2 pump, as well as what we kept from the version 1. Following the version 1, we kept the US Motors carbonator pump motor. This is half horsepower, 110 volts. And we kept the Italian-made Fluiditech rotary vane pump. New additions to this are the side-mounted regulator. We put it over here instead of on the brass tees here to keep it out of the way and keep it safer. It's not so much a free-hanging part. As well as this is now preset to 120 psi, and we don't find that there's any need to turn this dial or back off the regulator. It should provide enough pressure out of the box to make any Tucker cart double in water production. Obviously, we have the pressure gauge here, so you can monitor the pressure in real time. We added an on-off switch up here. Waterproof casing. Back on the version 1, you'll remember we had to control the power with the GFCI here and turn it off at the wall more or less. We've added an on-off here at the unit, so you're not walking to the wall. We're not putting too much stress on the GFCI using this as a power switch. And lastly, we added an inline sediment filter here. You'll open this up. You'll see we have a ring sediment in here to block any sand that might come off the tap so it doesn't get caught up in your vane pump and break it. All these new features should improve durability and lifespan of the new pump while it provides you the same great service it always has. Next, we're going to hook it up in line to a rival cart and see the change in water production in real time. In order to use your Tucker booster pump, you're going to need a source of power as well as two 3/4-inch garden hoses to supply your cart. The first garden hose you're going to hook up to the tap supply of the house. The other end of that garden hose is going to go into the fitting marked inlet on the side of the pump. Next, using your second garden hose, you're going to connect to the outlet on the same side of the pump. Then you'll connect the other end of the outlet hose to the inlet of your Tucker system. Next, hook up the pump to power. Make sure the GFCI is on by the indicated green light in the center of the GFCI. Then, hook up a hose to the outlet of your Tucker system. Then turn on the source water to your cart. Turn the power on your Tucker booster pump. When you close the bypass on your Tucker cart, watch the pressure go up. See the extra working water you get with the Tucker booster pump. And this is a showcase of the new version 2 of the Tucker booster pump, how to set it up with the cart, and the change in flow you could expect when using this pump. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out at 303-663-1779 for the office line or info@rhgproducts.com. We look forward to hearing from you.